All right, hi. Welcome. Thank you for coming. My name is Jia. This show is called Will You Marry Me? You all know this? My father was like, that's a bit desperate. I was like, you put an ad in the newspaper. That's more desperate. He's like, I never wrote your name. I was like, you should have. With YouTube link. Pati ke saath subscriber bhi mil jata. But my father has been wanting me to get married since the day I was born. He's like, beti wahi hai, dowry collect karo. You all know dowry? Yes. It's supposed to be the guarantee for marriage. Bullshit. I have lots of dowry. 3 trunks full of dowry. I'll tell you what is in this dowry. Camay soap. Because beti life boy se nahi nahegi. Yardley powder. His and her towels. We think jewelry. Jewelry comes out of your mother's cupboard and goes into your mother-in-law's cupboard. आपको देखने को नहीं मिलता है. Then you're like, मम्मी मुझे बाहर जाना है, please necklace दे दो. Then she's like, बैंक में है. उधर क्या कर रहा है? My father, in fact, he stopped shaving. Okay, and every time I would give him a hug, I'd get rash. It's a skin disease called urticaria. You all know urticaria? It's a very South Bombay problem. Only rich people. It's a rash, right? And I was getting urticaria, so I told my father, please shave. He's like, I'm saving money for your dowry. I was like, how little is this dowry? I will give you 10 rupees. Please shave. He collected all this money. He's very rich. Just wanted to say he's rich. I'll tell you how rich. I wanted a Jeep Compass, the car. But he bought me a Creta. How upsetting. That's a rich bitch. Then 2 months later, he bought my younger brother a Jeep Compass. Which means he doesn't love me. Right? But my younger brother is my little bitch. So guess who's driving the Jeep Compass? Yeah! Oh my God, he is very rich. You all know Seema auntie from Indian matchmaking? Yes. She's related to my family. That's why none of us are married. Even in the show, she didn't get anyone married. 3 seasons. Didi, what you're doing? I feel like these marriage matchmakers and HR managers are the same. Right? Because both of them you have to send resume. Both of them know what department suits you best. Rich, middle class, kidhar jayegi. Right? And both of them know where you'll be 5 years from now. Broke and single. Every time my dad would get a biodata, he's like, oh my God, marry him. Look at him, he's an investment banker. Look, he lives in London, marry him. I'm like, Dad, it's a paper. He's like, marry the paper. On my paper, it's written, I'm vegetarian. I don't believe my paper. How I'll believe his? I'm hardcore non-vegetarian. Mutton. I think chicken is also veg food. Because Gujaratis are eating it. They're sending it to Netflix, guys. Don't sit like this, right now. This means tu mujhe hasa. Sali. I'm looking at one uncle sitting like this. He's refusing to open his hands. Yeah, but like every time all the biodata, I've seen lots of biodatas, right? And the 3 boys I've met lots of boys. But I want to share with you about 3. Because they were important. The first one, my dad was like, we're gonna send you to London for 1 month to meet this boy. Will you go? 1 month, all expenses paid. Will you go? I was like, oh no. Full month in London, oh no. So hectic. I went. Had lots of fun. When I was dating this boy, one of the nights he was like, you know, Jia, I have made out with another boy. And I really enjoyed it. I was like, then why do you want to marry me? I don't make out like them. I went and told my family, I was like, this guy, you know, he doesn't want to marry me, papa, mummy, bua. And then, of course, one bua is there always, right? And she's like, par uska khandan. I'm like, par wo khandan se shaadi nahi ho rahi hai. She's like, karni padegi. I still continued seeing him because khandan. Then he broke up with me. He's like, I can't do this. I was like, okay. In my head, I was like, yeah. He thought I was mature. He's like, wow, you're so mature. I thought you'll lose your shit. I was like, मेरे को करनी नहीं थी. Then my father was like, अच्छा ये नहीं चला, चल, can you stay back in London for 4 more days? I'm sending another guy. I was like, सीमा आंटी काम कर रही है? He's like, Jia, he's a Maharaja. He sent me his photo. This guy was, you know, he's from Rajasthan. He was standing like this, wearing a blue velvet curtain. Sorry, suit. It was a suit. And I looked at this and I was like, this is Maharaja. I was like, the only Maharaja I want is the one that's making theplas on the side of the Swiss Alps. That's the Maharaja I want. And so I messaged the Maharaja. I'm like, what's up? He's like, listen, let's meet. I was like, cool. I was like, where do you want to meet? He's like, come to my hotel. I was like, kya karna hai? He's like, no, we'll get a drink. I was like, cool. I reached the hotel. He's like, come up. I'm like, what's up? He's like, the bar. I was like, cool. I went up. I'm a cheap date. I don't drink alcohol. I ordered Coke. I no longer drink Coke. I drink water. But in England, Coke and water cost the same. Still a cheap date. He ordered a glass of champagne. I'm like, are we married? What is the occasion? Champagne. Then he's sitting there, Jia. Jia, you know, it's London. It's really cold and sort of bleh. I'm like, wait, what happened? We're sitting in Le Meridian, in Mayfair. I'm like, chacha. Kar kya rahe ho? We left, we went to the restaurant. He ordered a glass of red wine. I was like, okay, he's sitting there again. In Rajasthan, there are camels. And they poop anywhere. It's really there. I'm like, this I saw. I saw this, right? 20 minutes, I finished the date and went. I called up my father. I was like, you know what? I know I'm a jungli. I get it. But he's no Maharaja. He's like, Jia, how was the date? I was like, bleh. Then the main guy. My father's like, listen, this guy's from Delhi. He's a Punjabi. Any Punjabis here make noise? Good. So you all know that Punjabi boys look the closest to monkeys. Just a bunch of bandars. Right? He looked like that. I went to him and I was like, are you in Rising of the Apes? Did you star in that movie? My father sent him a Mercedes to pick him up. Because when people come from Delhi, you don't send car. You send Mercedes car. They should know ghar pe hai. I dropped him to a rickshaw. My father was like, ghar tak chhodati. I mean, I was like, who is a monkey? Dali dali pe chala jayega. But every year, my parents would take me to weddings to show me off. Every year. Nobody's looking at me at these weddings. I'm not looking at me. I was at one of these weddings and I saw these girls and I was like, ooh. My inside ka Seema auntie started ubroing. I have two brothers. So I went to the mother. I was like, oh, hello. I have boys. You have girl. How young? She's like, she's 18. I was like, oh, too young, too young. She's like, I have one more. I'm like, tu bhi Seema auntie? Then I was like, oh, how old? She's like, 21. I was like, too young, teacher, too young. She's like, how old is your boys? I was like, 39. She's like, too old. Niklo yahan se. Then I went and told my dad, I was like, nobody's looking at me at weddings. I'm also not looking at me. In fact, I'm looking at the uncles going, uncle, auntie kaisi hai? Abhi bhi achhi hai. And when they would take me to these weddings, I would look like a Christmas tree without ornaments. No jewelry. As soon as I enter, everything is on my head. They put a star also on my head. They're like, Hamari beti. My dad's dream was to stand on stage, and so today I told him, come. Every time there's an applause, you can say, Meri beti. I recently called up my father and I was like, what are you doing? He's like, I'm watching other people's children get married. That's like Seema auntie watching Made in Heaven.